Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real experts. Coldwell Banker is very very cold. Coldwell Banker Realty in where are we at today, Alice?
We're in Santa Rosa Beach.
Yeah, Bluewater Landing. It's a new D.R. Horton subdivision. Well, actually, no, it's not a D.R. Horton. It's the same family, but it's the Emerald homes that they're building out here. And we got a nice water view behind us. We're super close to one of my favorite places, Redfish Taco. And I'm gonna let you, and we got somebody else here, special guest.
Hey,
we got
ta-da! Good morning.
So, I'm freezing, you guys. Tell us a little bit about the floor plan we got right now that we're standing on the third floor of.
So we do have 4 different floor plans. They start at 4 bedrooms. What is the square footage?
4 bedrooms, 2,800 square feet, and up to 3,900 square feet. And the 3,900 square feet one is 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms.
Wow, and they all have
garage.
There you go, garages. The price point starts at 1 point something. We don't have price to quote yet because there are not any release yet, so you're not gonna see this in the MLS yet. But if you want the inside and you're looking for a property over here, you can call me, you can call Kim, you can call Sean.
We're gonna try and jump next door to show you the view from
The Cape.
oh that house right there.
Okay,
And
let's go.
Let's go. All right.
Freezing. So here's the current view of the subdivision. Start to be developed. There how many lots?
31 lots.
31 lots, so 31 homes there be for sale. Potentially this one, the white one, is gonna be the model home, right? Mm-hmm. They haven't decided yet because they are under construction. And this one over here on the left, what floor plan that is?
This is the Cape.
The Cape, okay. Well, let's check it out and see what is inside.
We're standing on the 3rd floor of the Cape. So this is 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms.
Wow.
3,900 square feet.
And they come with a 2-car garage. And if you're afraid that it's on the 3rd floor, don't worry about it. You can come up to the elevator.
What?
Yeah, there's an elevator right there. And this subdivision accepts short-term rentals.
Oh, nice.
So this is the master suite that we are up here, and there's 2 bedrooms on the other side, and you have this beautiful view. So we're here at Bluewater Landing, and we're just south of 38, right next door to Redfish Taco. We just passed Blue Mabel. If you'd like to see property here with us, just give us a call. Our contact information is below, and you hook you up with Kim over here, our sales rep, to come over here and shop for properties in Santa Rosa Beach.
Thank you.
Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye for now.